So apparently dark eyebrows and natural eyebrows are the new thing. So we're gonna dye our eyebrows. So our supplies that we have here today is the Just for Men woman. I don't know what color it is. So we got a little bit of the developer in there. And then this is the color base. Good measure. So we have our little mixing tool. Alright. Here we go. I hate myself. It kind of feels good. It's like massaging.
Yeah.
The eyebrow, but it's kind of burning already. Here we go.
I just slapped my finger.
I'm hungry. Me.
You see how I brushed my hairs up like that?
Cute. Oh wow. I look like the Lorax.
That's the thumbnail. You put too much on.
How long are we supposed to leave this on for?
I don't know. I hate us so much. Like, if I were another person, I would beat us up.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
15 minutes later.
Should we go wash it off now? Okay, well.
Why is it green? Oh no.
Oh, my camera's gonna die. So, my camera's gonna die, but moral of the story, don't do this.